Probably one of the most dynamic and advanced exercise for the shoulders is going to be a push press. It's very similar to the strict shoulder press, but now what we're going to do is we're going to add some legs in there. The thing about that allows us to push more weight above our head, but because it's more dynamic, it takes some learning of how to accomplish that. The first thing we're going to show you is with the dumbbells, because that's a little bit more of a beginner. Okay? We're going to bring those dumbbells up to the shoulder just like we were doing before, 45 degrees in front, as opposed to straight out to the side or straight in. Lay them right on the shoulders. This should be something that we actually propel the weight above our head with our core, as opposed to trying to push it with our shoulders. So we start it with a punch from our lower body. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get shoulder width apart with our feet, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to quarter squat. So our hips back, and then our knees bent, and that coils us so that we can push and propel the weight up. Okay, and when we do that, we get just a little bit of a pop that starts the movement where we're the weakest. Okay, the rest of it then is just like the strict shoulder press, where we punch our head through and touch the dumbbells at the top. So this is the way it'll look. Dip, and then punch. And then come down and absorb. Dip, punch, absorb. Dip, punch, absorb. Okay, that's what we're going to do with the dumbbells. And it's a great exercise to really start learning how to load the lower body and use the power while also working the shoulders. The better method, and probably the preferred method, is to use the barbell once we're ready for it. But again, because it's a bar, if we lose contact with it, it could come crashing down on our body. So again, more advanced, but we'll show it now. Shoulder width apart with our grip, just like what we did with the strict shoulder press. We don't actually hold the bar completely down here. We want our elbows high and resting on our shoulders again. So again, we create the pop with our lower body. Make sure that you clear your face by looking back until it gets over your head, and then we punch our head through at the top to make sure that we've extended the bar over our shoulders at all times. Okay? So here we go. Dip, and then punch, and then extend. Dip, punch, extend. Head through, and then absorb again on the shoulders. Punch. Okay? Use the pop from the lower body, and as you get really heavy with this, it will require your lower body to be really engaged into this movement.